there, if you are a caregiver or if you are a family member of someone who needs to be taken care of and you want to track what's going on, this is a wonderful caregiver log and checklist to just make sure that you're documenting everything. I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. You can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. So here we go. So this is the caregiver log, and then there's also a checklist. This is completely editable. And so you can change any of this, including the colors, just so that this works for you and the person that you're caring for. So first we can put in the name. So you can put in your name, say that your name is Susie. And then you can put the date that you came to visit your patient. And you can say the time that you got there. And you can say, okay, what are we working on today? Let's say that we're working on food, and then description, a oatmeal and fruit, and then feels good today. And then that way you're just documenting, what happened while you were taking care of your patient. And then we've got a schedule here. I've got it from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. This is completely editable. So if your patient wakes up at 6:30 a.m., you could start the day there. And then you could say, okay, what is the schedule for the day? And this is great just for communication, so that you're coming in and saying, okay, this is what the patient needs. This is what the patient does all day long. This is their routine. Just makes everybody feel more comfortable. So we can, wake and drink coffee. We could do, 7 a.m., get dressed, and so on. Things to remember. So these are great things for especially patients that, are in memory care or things like that. Things that make them more comfortable, things that they like, that makes them more happy, things that they're sensitive about. Any of these things that you can put in, loves black coffee. Just anything that could help to make things go more smoothly. Here's the checklist as well. So you've got your patient's name, John. You can put your caregiver. That's your name, Susie. And then, the date that you were there, your start time, and then your end time. And then I've got this separated by basics, your intake, and physical needs. This is completely editable. So you can make your own list if you like, or you can write, these are the things that need to be done while you're there. Clocking in, reviewing the care plan, assessing the mood, checking the supplies, cleaning things up, taking out the trash. Did they eat anything? Did you record how much they ate? Did you give them their medicine? And then their physical needs. Did you change their bedding? Did you change their clothes? Did you help them brush their teeth and trim their nails? Things like that. And then I also have just some additional items too, feeding animals, things like that. So that is how the sheet works. It's really simple, straightforward, and it's also very customizable for whatever your needs are. So let me know if you have any questions. I have lots of sheets that could help you to stay organized with your business, with your home, budgeting, school, all across the board. I've got over 400 sheets that covers a lot of ground. So let me know if you need anything, and feel free to reach out with questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.